Ride the scanner to check it out. Super! Pull that backhoe. Keep going. Perfect. That's great. Pull out the dents. That's it. The cracks. You're so smart. All left to do is paint. Keep going. Yay! It worked. Keep going. Wonderful. And fill the holes with glue. Super duper. Wonderful. Put the heart. Star. Rectangle. Circle. Diamond. Awesome. Keep going. There's something wrong with the wires. That's a lot of things. Perfect. Red, yellow, yellow, green, blue, violet. You solved the problem. All done. Now help to assemble. Backhoe. I appreciate it. We need to get to the construction site.